Welcome, my second grade friends, to our introduction to grammar. So first of all, what does grammar mean? Does it even matter? Grammar is pretty much the building blocks of a language. So it's kind of like the language rules. And it's very important because we know that rules are in place to be able to keep us safe, to have a lot of fun, right? Same with grammar. It kind of keeps our language safe and allows us to have fun because it all makes more sense. First, we're going to start our kind of grammar lessons with a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that tells a complete thought. So for example, I am a second grade student. That is a complete thought. It is a full sentence. But here's the thing for second graders. There are 4 types of sentences. Our first one is a statement, then a question, then a command, and an exclamation. A statement tells about something, tells people about something, and it always ends in a period. So for example, I had a good time. We ate pizza for lunch. They went to the store. Those kind of have complete sentences, right? And they tell us about something. A question asks about something, and it always ends in a question mark. For example, what is the rabbit eating? When do we eat lunch? How are you? It asks us something. A command tells someone to do something. So for example, this one ends in a period, right? For example, please feed the dog. How many have you heard this one? Eat all your vegetables. Do your chores after lunch. Tell someone to do something. And finally, an exclamation shows a strong feeling, and it ends in our fun exclamation point. For example, the dog ate my homework. He fell off the chair. I just won $20. I love Jesus so much. It shows a strong feeling. So out of these 4, my second grade friends, can you tell the difference between the types of sentences? And can you come up with a few examples of each on your own? Have fun with this activity.